It's got to be lifted. It's got to be off the ground.
No, it hasn't.
No, it hasn't.
It has.
No, it hasn't.
In that video, it was slightly raised.
No, it doesn't matter.
No, you're do you want to hold that?
What am I doing?
Just point at me. What's we doing?
Am I? Is it recording now?
Yeah. Ultimate fear. A tribute to Zaki. This, by the way, is the loudest firework ever.
It's not. Fish, it ain't very good.
You'll see. It will be cool. That's enough, man.
That'll do. That'll do.
Good man.
How much video time have you got on this?
Loads. Yeah, hold that. I'll bang the next one in. You bang yours in, I want to bang mine in.
Come here.
Tape?
Babe,
Yeah, I'll hold the
come
the
round
torch
here
over
and
there.
can you
Where's the
hold
tape?
this camera?
Cheers, you. Poor old Zaki passed away. Tuesday.
That's not very upright, Fish.
That'll be fine.
Neither of them are.
It's only a bomb. Mate on YouTube had one. We got two. Baby! Are we ready for some fun?
Get back.
Right.
Oh shit!
Do you want to go back down there now then, mate? Yeah, hold that and I'll light them. Is that mine?
So,
I will be. Hold on, please.